Hello kids, welcome to Learning with Baby Family. Today we are going to learn the letters A to F. Looks. This is A. 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 A for apple. Looks. This is an apple. Apple is red and juicy fruit. Apple. Let's spell it together. A. P. P. L. E. Apple. Apple. Next is B. This is B. B for ball. This is a ball. Ball is round and fun to play with. Let's spell it together. B. A. L. L. Ball. B for ball. C. C. C for cap. Cap. C for cap. Look at the cap. It keeps your head cool and looks stylish. Let's spell it together. C A P. Cap. C for cap. Next is D. This is D. D for dots. D for dots. See the dots? They are small round marks, so colorful. Let's spell it together. D O T S. Dots. D for dots. Looks is E. E for egg. E for egg. This is E. This is an egg. Eggs are healthy and yummy to eat. E for egg. Let's spell together. E G G. Egg. E for egg. Next is F. This is F. F for fish. F for fish. Here is fish. Fish live in water and swim fast. F for fish. Let's spell together. F I S H. Fish. F for fish. Awesome. Now let's learn more letters. See you in the next videos. Don't forget like and subscribe. Thank you.